The Hendrick Breast Institute is a program at Hendrick that provides nurse navigation that connects patients to support, education, and resources. The Hendrick Breast Institute helps their patients by literally a hand-holding program to help anyone with a breast health issue, from scheduling a mammogram to being connected to a physician, all the way through a breast cancer diagnosis. And they lead them through the journey with support, education, and resources.
Having an accredited breast institute is important for the patients for several reasons. Number one, because it does hopefully get their care in a much more streamlined, quick process rather than the time that it used to take to get a diagnosis and get treated. You are taken care of by board-certified physicians, and we all follow essentially the same treatment protocol so that you'll get a standardized care across the board.
Having the Hendrick Breast Institute here in Abilene allows everyone to have the same quality of care as any other town, and even better, because with the Hendrick Breast Institute, you have a navigator to guide you through the process.
The reason that I thought it was important to get an accredited breast center here in Abilene is for several reasons. First of all, I felt like we were losing a lot of patients to the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and breast cancer is something that is most definitely able to be treated here within the Abilene community. There are some cases that need to be referred out, but for the most part, we can take care of the majority of our patients here in the comfort of their own home in their own city. In addition to keeping patients here, it allowed us to get things done much more quickly. I mean, the whole stress of the process is getting a diagnosis and getting some answers, and nobody likes the unknown. And so the biggest thing about getting an accredited facility is just streamlining the process so that patients get diagnosis, get their treatment, and get the answers to the questions that they have in a timely fashion.
Here at Hendrick, we're able to provide the same comprehensive state-of-the-art care as any other facility in the nation.
I think the greatest benefit that patients have coming through this process is really seen in the nurse navigation. You have somebody that is there to answer your questions, to give you the guidance that you need, to give you the support that you need. I mean, there are patients that have barriers to care. If you don't have a car, or you don't have transportation, or you don't have money for this, there are things that we can do now that we have the program in place that are available to all patients, whereas maybe before they were kind of hit or miss or kind of individualized, but now we are able to offer those services to all patients.
Because we are the only nurse navigation accredited program in the area, we're able to provide patients with the most comprehensive care that includes surgery, plastic surgery, oncology, chemo, radiation at the highest level. Here, they don't have to go through this process alone. The Hendrick Breast Institute is a free service provided by Hendrick to guide patients through the process. And the nurse navigators are there to give them every opportunity for support, education, and resources, and their families, so that they're included in this journey with them.